This is the Hatta region, an isolated enclave. It's 130 kilometers southeast of Dubai city and cut off from the rest of the emirate. But even in this remote corner, work's being done to conserve Dubai's wildlife. Jarul Aguhab is one of the Dubai municipality's conservation scientists.
Here in the Hatta Mountain Conservation Area, we are doing camera trapping research for the Arabian tahar, an endangered species. Its presence and absence will indicate the health of the whole ecosystem.
The Arabian tahar is a rare kind of goat, only found in the mountains of Oman and the UAE. There are less than 5,000 in the wild, and they're under threat. Poaching, competition with feral goats, and habitat loss are the culprits. This area may be one of their last refuges. But with so few left in the wild, Jarul will only be able to assess the population's health by using camera traps. To do that, he'll have to go where few people are willing to tread. A cave where tahar droppings have been found.
We're hoping to see the density, the population density of the Arabian tahar, its movement around, its behavior, also its breeding population.
Jarul will leave his traps for several months before returning to discover the results.
It is really important to manage animals like the tahar because it's endemic in this area. I mean, the people of Dubai identifies with it.
The work here in Hatta is part of a coordinated emirate-wide conservation program, which has been running since 2014.
We have set up a network of protected areas, including everything from the mountains going to the sea. We call it a ridge to reef approach. So everything is included, all the ecosystems. That's how we put a big weight on the conservation work and wildlife work here in Dubai.
These mountains receive less rainfall than parts of the Sahara Desert. Yet incredibly, it's possible to find aquatic creatures surviving here. In the mountains of Hatta, Jarul's cameras have revealed that the Arabian tahar population is healthy and breeding.